Good morning and welcome to Trade Smart. This morning, I'm just going to explain to you the two indicators that I normally use. I use the SuperTrend, um, which is this one, and then this is VWAP, that's the value weighted average of price of every stock. It tells you the equilibrium price of the stocks, and also this is MACD. Wow. The super trend is just a trend indicator. It tells you whether buyers or sellers are in control. So if you look at this one, this is a 1 minute candle, 1 minute chart. Whenever you have the green, it's telling you like the trend is about to shift upwards. And then whenever you have red arrow down coming down, it tell you the trend is shifting downwards. Okay. So generally, the super trend is a bullish indicator. It acts as a dynamic support um, when it's green, and it will be a resistance when it's red. It's about to change down. MACD, on the other hand, compares two averages, two moving averages. Um, when the green lines are crossing the yellow, um, you have momentum gaining. Is it gaining upwards or downwards? So you use these two moving averages as confirmation of momentum accelerating upward or up momentum decelerating downwards. Okay. When buyers are weak, you will see that the green line is crossing the yellow line downward. And when buyers are strong, it does same going upward. Um, it's important to combine the two moving averages. This is where it becomes useful, especially when you want to buy, set a buy stop. Uh, you know, you want to pay attention to see that it's aligned. And I found it also more useful when I see that the super trend on the daily chart is indicating green. That means it has the potential to be strong for the day. So this is stocks that are moving pre-market. Yes, on 1 minute chart you could see a lot of green indicating here, but you don't see it just going upward. So I want stock that has, oh, okay. So for instance, if you see DFNS, it already has a green indicator demonstrating that it's going upward. I think this was yesterday's trading, and the high of the day was around 15. And as of this morning, the stock has already gone to 21. So you have more high probability of trading upward if you already have the daily candle being this bold, this solid green. On top of it, the super trend is showing you where the trend is going. Um, it does not mean that you're gonna win all the time because both indicators are lagging indicators. It prints after the price action, but then it gives you an idea of where the stocks is heading. So I mostly combine them so that I have multiple confirmation. It is not just the trends. It's not just the indicators. News is also important. So it you deal with after you've checked your float and seen that, oh, this is the type of float less than 1 million. It's the type of float I want to day trade with. I also will look at news and say, okay, this company has the news that I'm looking for. Then now you have two things. You need multiple things that confirms, that give you the high sense of high probability of stock going up intraday, so that you put your money in. But if you have the daily candle like that, that's also a great way of looking at things. So for instance, you got Gauss also have a strong daily candle, and it closed at 21 as it stands now. The highest was 31 during pre-market. The market hasn't opened yet, but I always take chance on stocks with higher bold super trend going up on the daily chart before take a I take a trade on it. So these two, what you have to understand is that it's important. Neither super trend or MACD predicts the future. Both are just lagging indicators because they are based on price data. It's the past price data that they are both are based on, but they work best as a confirmation tool, not as a standalone buy or sell signal. So price action, volume, and your risk management should always drive your trade. You just don't trade in a vacuum just because these two indicators showed upwards momentum, but then you have to have your buying and selling signals on price action, volume, and also your risk management. All right, thank you.